So here we have the Mercedes-Benz CLA180 on a 16 plate. Firstly, I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a four-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot space first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of the car from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. On the right-hand side, the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. In the centre, the digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information that's displayed there for various different things, including the total miles of the car. They are 53,962. And then, as you can see, but various bits of trip computer info back around to the beginning again. And that was all done with these buttons just here. We have our stereo controls, so volume control just here. We have our phone controls as well. On the stalks behind that, we got speed limiter on this stalk just here, and cruise control as well. Into the center, the main screen for the car. So firstly, the movement you currently see me making on the screen is being done using this dial just here. You can use the buttons on here. For example, if I press radio, we will be on the radio menu where you can see we have FM and AM. You can hit the media button, and that's where you'll listen to your own music. And now I'm using the dial to select the different ways you can listen to music. So we have Bluetooth audio, which means you can pair your phone and stream your music wirelessly. A CD player, memory card input, so SD memory card, and a media interface. And then back around to the beginning again. Back to the main menu, again using the dial, you can pair your phone from here. And then we have a vehicle menu, which will allow you to change various settings within the car menus. Below that, we've got our CD player, main volume for the stereo, the physical buttons for the main screen if you don't want to use the dial. We have the ability to answer and end phone calls. Below that, we can change the driving setup of the car, either from here or on the screen, as I showed you just a moment ago. We have our hazard warning lights, stop and start, and parking sensors you can turn on and off from there. Below that, we have dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger temperature, driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, that's your air conditioning off and on again, or hit auto. The car will now take full control for you to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for, and you can override that manually whenever you wish to. We have some storage and a 12-volt charging socket, the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox, 2 cup holders. You can also remove this section to make that space larger should you wish to. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.